I know we're usually in the house talking about grocery hauls and food prep, savings that way, but I wanted to take a look out into the garden to see how everything's doing and what this is stacking up to help me save later on this year. I want to get a good look at the tomatoes. I have a couple big ones. Wow. Just from a few days ago. There are so many more, and it's time to tie them up already. Again. We have 10 plants in this bed, 3 different varieties. I have 2 plants over here, climbing up the cattle panel. Oh. I think the sprinkler sensed a critter in the garden. We'll have to go check it out. There are a couple varieties of summer squash here. I see babies. This one is different. Looking forward to some sweet corn. If Mr. Raccoon doesn't get it, we're still trying to figure out how to keep him away. It's time to weed again. I planted beans. They're just now starting to come up. Oh! It got me. I don't remember ever trying to grow corn before. So whatever I get, I will be pleasantly surprised. It's almost as tall as I am. Some of it. See if I can walk on over here to the other side. Take a look. Oh, they're welding. It's time to water. I have to wait till the sun goes down a little bit. I do have butternut squash plants coming and spaghetti squash plants over on the other side. More tomato plants over here. And these are the ones that are doing the poorest, I would say. This is a brand new box. So I'm not sure what the problem is. It's the same soil blend. We have a nice pepper plant here. Lots of potatoes. Lots of carrots and beets. And my kale has bolted. Onions. Celery plants. Lots of pepper plants. I think those are, if I'm not mistaken, the Jimmy Nardellos. Never grown them before either. It's time to pull the peas out. They are not doing well after 500-degree days in a row. But the pole beans like it. More pole beans. I'm going to try to keep these for fresh that are growing up the cattle panel, and then the ones in the Three Sisters garden I'm going to try to let dry and use those for dry black beans. It won't be long now and we'll have some zinnias and sunflowers. Cabbages are forming heads. That's a good sign. flowers blooming. I have a lot of peas harvested. Snap peas, I froze them in regular meal-sized bags for me and Pappy. And if they got a little older, I just used them as regular English peas. And then we have a bunch of snow peas to throw into stir fries. And this is just what I have in the refrigerator freezer. The rest are in the deep freezer. We've harvested many onions, and I have more to harvest. I'm going to chop them up and put them in the freezer. Here's my first big garden harvest of the season. We have Greek oregano, regular oregano, thyme, chives, 2 different kinds of kale, and some arugula, radish, and some spring onions. I even have a couple baby spinach in here. Most of the garden is in. Now we just need the sunshine so we can finish it. We're out here tying tomato plants again. I feel like it's every other day, but that's good. It means they're growing. We have some nice sized ones here. Look at this. Can't wait for that first red juicy tomato. I have 2 kinds of squash here. Summer squash variety. My row of flowers. And the Three Sisters garden's going okay. The corn's growing. I just planted beans, and I have a few winter squash plants over on the other side. My nasturtium likes the box, and so do the marigolds. I wanted to document our latest critter damage. We've seen a groundhog, and I think he got my romaine right before I came out to harvest it. It's been so hot, and I wanted to get it out before it bolted, but he beat me to it. Little rascal. 4, 5, 6 nice heads of romaine lettuce. I'll be planting more for fall, but he got these.